Okay. 1 through 6, you had to tell which unit it best goes with. You did not have to explain your choice. The length of your thumb, I would use centimeters, which would be letter C. A centimeter is about the width of your pinky finger, the width, not length of your pinky. The mass of your book, you need to use kilograms for that one. The length of a field, you would not want to use centimeters. You would want to use meters for that one, which would be letter B. The amount of water in a fish tank, you would need to use liters, which is letter E. The mass of an eraser, you would use grams, which is letter A. And I'm putting both the letter answer and the abbreviation for the unit you would use. And then the amount of fluid in a straw, that would be milliliters. Again, grams is a mass unit or how much something weighs. Meters or centimeters is a length unit, and liter is a volume unit. Does a dog weigh 5 grams or 5 kilograms? Well, 5 grams would be about a paperclip. So you want kilograms. Liquids you drink in a day. Um, for something to visualize for a liter, think of a 2-liter soda. And so if you had 2,000 liters, you're drinking 1,000 of those in a day. So no, you're drinking 2,000 milliliters. A box of cereal, not in milligrams. A milligram is like a dust. And then to do your unit conversion, I listed them in the opposite direction than the one in your textbook so that I could see if I go to the right, I move my decimal to the right. If I go to the left, I move my decimal to the left. So your base unit is your meter, liter, gram. And so if I'm going from the base to centimeters, I'm going 1, 2 to the right. So I need to move the decimal 2 to the right. It is currently right here since I can't see it. So I would move it 2 to the right and have to put in 2 zeros. Number 11, I'm going from, that is not the eraser. I have 234 milliliters. So I am currently right here, and I need to go to the base unit. So I went 3 to the left, so it's going to be 0.234. Number 12, you have the base unit of grams, and you're going to go, let me get my eraser and erase my jumps here. And we're going to kilograms. So we start off here, and we're going 1, 2, 3 to the left. So the decimal is right here. I need to move 1, 2, 3 to the left. So it's going to become 0.012. And then from kilometers to meters, I'm here. So 1, 2, 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3, I'm going to need to put in another 0. And then moving on to number 14, I'm at the base unit, which is right here. And I need to go to centimeters, so it would be 1, 2 jumps to the right. So move the decimal 2 to the right, and it becomes 25 centimeters. Number 15, I'm at liters, which again is a base unit, and I'm going to milliliters. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right. So I'm going to move the decimal 1, 2, 3. That's going to require I put in 2 zeros. So I'm going to get 7,300. 595 grams. I'm at my base unit and I'm going to kilograms. So 1, 2, 3 to the left. So it is sitting right here right now. So 1, 2, 3 to the left, it becomes 0.595. So in this next one, I have 35 meters. So I'm at my base unit and I'm going to kilometers again, which is a jump of 1, 2, 3 to the left. So I need to move my decimal place 3 to the left. So here's 1, 2, and I'm going to need to put in a 0 before that. And then milligrams to grams. So I'm going 1, 2, 3 to the left again. So I'm going to get 0.00. No, I did that wrong. I'm at grams. I'm going to milligrams. So it's 1, 2, 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. So 270 grams. And then the last one, the shortest street is Elgin Street in Backup, England. It's 518 centimeters long. How many meters is this? So I'm at centimeter. And I want to go to meter. And so I'm going to go 2 to the left, which is going to give me 5.18 meters. So you can also do these by knowing the relationship between the things, like there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. And so like right here, if you have 35 meters, because this is a fraction that has a value of 1, this fraction right here, the meters would cancel and you would have 35 divided by 1,000, which would give you that 0.035 kilometers. Like this one right here, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So if we have 54 meters, notice I chose to put the meters on the bottom so it would cancel. And we got 54 times 100, which is 5,400 centimeters. So it cancels out that unit. But this is listing them in order. So if you go to the right, you move the decimal to the right. And if you go to the left, you move the decimal to the left. But you can do it using what's known as dimensional analysis, where you are converting the units. But to do that, you need to know that 1,000 of your base, be it meter or liter or whatever, is equal to 1 kilo, and 100 base is equal to 1 hecto, and 10 base is equal to 1 deca. So these are bigger. Deca is 10 times bigger than the base, hecto is 100 times bigger than the base, and kilo is 1,000 times bigger. And then these are smaller. The relationship here is, let me clear some space, that 10 deci equals 1 base, 100 centi equals 1 base, and 1,000 milli equals 1 base. So these over here are smaller. This is 1/10, this is 1/100th, and this is 1/1000th. So you can find them simply by multiplying by their factor. But that assumes that you know those factors.